We'll guide you through how to fix call failed on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying, as you're then unable to go and make phone calls on your iPhone as they keep failing. So we'll guide you through some different fixes you can try. Make sure it's full video so you know what you can try doing. So first of all, you need to make sure you have got some service. You can go and look in the top right here and you can go and see I have got some. If you haven't got any, you can try moving. If you go and drag down, it'll be in the top left there. So try moving and see if you can get some service and see if that solves the problem. However, if you've got service but they're still failing, then what you want to try doing is open the control center again and go and find the airplane icon. We're going to try turning on airplane mode. Go and leave it on for a few seconds and then turn it off. Sometimes doing this can go and refresh things. And now when you try and make a call, hopefully it will go through and it won't fail. If this still doesn't work, you want to try opening up the phone app. Come to keypad at the bottom. And then what you want to do is you want to go and dial in *#31#. Then what you want to do is you want to go and dial this and you can go and see if it then goes and solves the problem. Hopefully it does. If it still doesn't, the next thing you want to try doing is coming out of here. You want to go and try taking the SIM card in and out. So what you need to do is you need to go and remove the phone case. Go and grab your SIM card tool, or you can use it in like a paper clip as well, or another small object. And then what you want to do is you want to come onto the side of the phone and you want to go and locate the SIM card tray. As you can see, here it is. And then what you can do is you can go and pop it open by pressing this in here like this. Now what you can do is you can go and slide out the tray and there's SIM. And what you can then do is go and put it back in. Sometimes doing this will simply go and solve the problem. Now what we can do is we can try seeing if we can make a call and hopefully it will go and stop failing. However, if it still does, the next thing we can try doing is a force restart. So this will go and refresh things as well. To go and do this is really easy. You're going to do a button combination and you need to go and press the volume increase button, decrease, and then hold down the side power button. Let's do that now. Volume increase, decrease, and hold down the side power button. Go and keep this held down. It'll go and say slide to power off, but keep it. Very shortly, the phone screen will go black, but you keep it held down and you only need to go and release it when you go and see the Apple icon, as that means it's then starting again. So as you can see, it's now there. I've released it and go and wait while it goes and starts. When it comes back on, you can then try making a call and hopefully it now won't go and fail. However, if it still is, the next thing you can try doing is opening up your settings. You need to go and find mobile service or maybe cellular on your phone and tap there. Then if you've got multiple SIMs, go and tap on the SIM you're doing this with, and you need to go and find the option for network selection, and you want to make sure this is set to automatic. Then go and see if you went and changed that, if the problem's now solved. If you didn't change that or it's still not working, you can scroll down, go and find the option for general, scroll to the bottom and find transfer or reset iPhone, press reset at the bottom, and you can try doing a network reset. That may go and solve the problem. You'll need to go and enter in your passcode. When you go and do this, it will also go and reset things like your Wi-Fi as well. After you've done that, go and see if now calls will go and go through without failing. If they still won't, then what you should try doing is contacting your mobile network carrier, as they may have a problem with your account, which is why it's failing. So you can go and get in contact with them and they may be able to go and provide a fix for your account, or they may need to go and issue with something else. But they'll hopefully go and guide you through and solve the problem if it hasn't already been solved. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.